How to improve signal or service on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can improve your signal on your iPhone. So there is no sure short way of doing this, but there are some tricks that you can use. So let's get started with that. First is simply toggling on your iPhone's airplane mode. So you can try that, turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. After you do that, it can help reset your cellular connections, and that should make it faster, or that should make it better. The second one is by simply going to your settings. And on your settings, you'll simply need to check for updates. To do that, go to General, then go to Software Update. Here you should find your software updates available and ensure that your software is up to date, as carrier settings updates can improve your connectivity. After that, you can reset your network settings. For that, come back to General here and then scroll down all the way. There you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that and tap on Reset. Then there you'll find the Reset Network Settings option. You can simply tap on that, which can resolve glitches that may be affecting your signal strength. After that, you can then simply go back and check for your physical damage. If you have any damage on your phone, that can be affecting your signal strength. And yeah, those are the simplest method you can use to improve your signal. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.